All right, let's look at making the leaf. So I have a leaf already done in Photoshop that is a 1024 by 512. It's gotta be a power of 2. Okay, so I'm gonna make basically a plane that is gonna be 5.12 by 10.24. All right. And then after that, let me bring it up just a second so I can see it better. I'm going to right click. I'm going to make a new Lambert. And in my Lambert shader, I'm going to go to the color channel. I'm going to select file. And I've got this time a PNG. Alright. And the problem with the PNG, you're going to see that real soon, is that in reality, well, first let me apply the UV mapping to it. So we are in the Y, so I would go UV, planar as usual, option Y project from, apply. Okay. Uh, and so we have our leaf right here, and it worked pretty well because the leaf doesn't have any black spot. Alright, so you want to be careful because you're using a PNG, you basically everything that is black is going to be transparent also. So be very careful with that. Now it's okay with one like that, but we could definitely do better than that. So if we go to the polyplane right here, actually let's go to the attribute channel of it right here, and we're going to change that to, let's say, 2. And we'll just reapply the UV map, don't worry. And let's say 3 right here. Okay, like that we can do something more like maybe just grab these right there and these and go down. See right here, and grab that and go down a little bit. And these also, maybe also, so you get something that is more, alright, rounded like that. Now we can redo the mapping. It's the same angle, so we just go planar, and we got our leaf. Now if we if we grab now, and we're gonna have to scale them obviously. Big time scaling. Hold on. Something like that. Oh. Now the pretty cool part with that is that if you move the pivot point by clicking on insert on your keyboard, and you move it, let's say, right here where you want to rotate it, now you can do a shift D and do a rotation on it, let's say right here. And then when you shift D again, look what happened. It will go all around and do that, which is pretty cool. It's not in the middle, so let's select them and move them. Alright, and you could do that level right here, and you can select more after that and do another shift D. If, for example, moving it up after that right here. Alright, and you can do the same thing right here, shift D, and then move them, a couple of them, and you start doing that again, and you get, alright, you get your tree slowly but surely. You get your palm tree, they're a little small, so we're gonna, you know, alright, scale them out. Alright, now that's why for the same version that you done in Maya 1617, this is the same thing but in Maya. And you could subdivide more. You can have more mesh basically than we have right now. Okay, so it would be more rounded, obviously. Okay, but then it's harder to get basically that many trees in it. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the tree for 2018. You have the other video that covers it also. It has more details even. Okay, thank you.